I built Windows XP in real life. Today I'm turning this cabin studio wall into the Windows XP desktop. I have this Bliss wallpaper with a Minecraft theme, start button, taskbar, start menu, everything. And yeah, this is my PCgiveaway.com studio as well. I love to build PCs here and then give them away. Say hello, PC. XP is the OS that made me fall in love with PCs. If you want the full XP story, I've got that video too. Wait till the start menu pops up. All right, here we go. This wallpaper is very thick. It's way thicker than I expected. And this is a Minecraft style version of Bliss because the cabin is already kind of pixel and Minecraft themed. And yes, I'm bringing grass into the room and it feels crazy because I'm definitely allergic to grass, but you'll see what I mean. The grass is the final touch and it's gonna make the whole thing feel real. So me and my wife are laying it out. She's done real renovation stuff. I'm usually the helper. And this wall, it is not wallpaper friendly. It's plywood, it's painted, it's rough. It's like the nemesis to normal wallpaper. We're gonna do our best. We're not wallpaper experts. But the plan was simple. I've got great thick wallpaper. I've got epic glue. I'm gonna take my time. If you want the exact wallpaper and glue I use, I'll put the links in the description. This first piece went up way easier than I thought. Like, oh yeah, this is gonna be easy. Then came the overlapping cut, and yeah, I messed up the first cut, so I'm just gonna be living with it. It's a cabin wall. It's not a museum. It's not my house. And honestly, it keeps me humble, and a little exposure therapy prevents some OCD. Once the wallpaper is up, the whole project starts to click. Now the taskbar. I really wanted it to feel a little 3D because the Windows XP original taskbar has this little highlight at the top. So I wanted to build a shallow box, just enough depth to get it off the wall. The laser level definitely helped me not lose my mind here. This part took a while. Let's do it. How do you share your love for Windows XP? You turn a whole wall into the Windows XP desktop. If you love Windows XP, you know the taskbar deserves this respect or more. We're doing it. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. Next is the part I've been waiting for, putting those felt tiles on permanently. These are Felt-Right tiles. And what's cool is you can design this whole thing online. They have a nice studio, you set the dimensions of the wall, and it's like color by pixel or all whatever size you want to use. So when the box showed up, it had been several months since I ordered it, and it was really nice to see the printout of my design. It's like a map. And now it's just time to build. Wait until the start button goes up, it'll feel like an old friend. I'm not a nerd. I just love Windows XP. Okay, let's go. Let's get started. I'm gonna get started with this start bar. I said start bar. All right, start button. That green, that shape. I've clicked that thing a million times in my life, and now it's just sitting there in real life. It's like a online friend came to visit me in real life. That is so cool. Moment of truth. Oh, no start menu yet. Don't worry, we're about to make the start menu pop up for real. This is where it stops feeling like wallpaper and starts feeling like the desktop I planned for. Also, yes, I called it the start bar at one point. It was so awesome. I'm just getting so excited here. This is a moment it really hit me. I'm standing in front of Windows XP, and the control panel part, it's actually useful. It's not just a decoration. So I didn't want to lose my shelf space. I wanted a clean charging spot. I actually had it up before I did the wallpaper, so I'm putting it back up. Fits the theme perfectly. Okay, now we bring the grass in. This is where Bliss goes from wallpaper to looking real. Now it feels real. And yes, I vacuumed my grass. Maybe it's my allergies, and maybe it's psychosomatic. Do I need to mow this? Nah, just kidding. But standing here actually feels like I'm stepping into Bliss. That was the whole point. Bring the scene into the room, not just on a screen. All right, final reveal shots. This is my favorite part. I wanted it to look like it and feel like Windows XP. And here it is. Windows XP is no longer just the memory that I saw on the screen, but it's here with me every day in my studio. That's my favorite part. The start button, taskbar, the Bliss wallpaper, it's in real life. And the crazy part is it still brings me that peace, like a fresh OS on a new computer. It's a calm reminder in my space of how things used to be, but also where we came from and where I came from. And if you're interested in the full story of why Windows XP means so much to me, check out the full video. I tell that whole story. But what I'm really interested in is you connecting in the future, chill PC build community where giveaway is part of the name. It's actually pcgiveaway.com. We'll build PCs, we'll give them away, and we'll connect. So check it out, pcgiveaway.com. Until next time,